My name is Jonathan Hargreaves, and in this TRN Taster I'd like to show you how to work out the area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is calculated using the formula half base times height. B is base, h is height, and this means you need to divide the base B of the triangle by 2 and then multiply by the height of the triangle. In this example, the base is 10 centimeters, so as per our formula, we need to divide it by 2. That equals 5 centimeters. The height is 8 centimeters, and so we multiply 8 times 5, and we arrive at the figure of 40 centimeters squared. Now we must remember that when we use the area of an object, and in this case it's squared, and that's recognized by the number 2 because we're using 2 measurements. Thank you for listening for today's TRN Taster, and I hope to see you all soon.